Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So creating a character in OpenArt is the foundation for storytelling, ads, animations, and UGC content. A strong character means better visuals, better consistency, and more professional results. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to create a character on OpenArt in 2026. So first thing first, define your character concept. So start with a clear identity, like decide gender, age, okay, facial features like the eyes, jawline, skin tone, okay, hair like style plus color, outfits like, personality and vibes. For example, young man, sharp jawline, short curly black hair, confident expression, streetwear style. So this is just an example of a character, okay? So write a detailed prompt, like your prompt should include appearance, style, lighting, quality tags. So for example, a prompt like this is just an example that you can take. Okay, so realistic portrait of a young man, sharp jawline, curly black hair, confident look, streetwear outfit, natural lighting, ultra realistic 4K. So details means control. So generate multiple variations. So open OpenArt image generator. So generate several images, like compare results, look for the best face and style. Don't settle for the first result. Okay, so try to find the best one. So select your main character, choose based on facial consistency, realism or style quality, expression and vibe. This becomes your base character, okay? So refine and improve, like regenerate small variations, like fix details like face, lighting, outfit, upscale for higher quality, and polish until it looks perfect. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.